Have you ever copied AI-generated code only to stare at it like it's written in alien language? You're not alone. Most people using ChatGPT Copilot or other AI coding tools admit they can run the code, but they don't understand what it's actually doing. And that's dangerous, because if you don't understand the code, you can't debug it, you can't modify it, and you definitely can't grow as a programmer. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why AI-generated code feels like a mystery and how to crack it in 3 simple steps. These steps use free AI tools you already have access to. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to read AI code like it's written in plain English. So stick with me, because if you swipe away, you'll miss the shortcut that could save you months of coding frustration. Let's be real. AI-generated code is powerful. It can build websites, apps, even machine learning models in seconds. But here's the catch. AI doesn't explain itself. It just spits out code. No comments, no reasoning, nothing. Syntax looks scary. If you're new, you see symbols, brackets, colons, and think. This is impossible. And most of all, there's no context. You don't know why AI used this method instead of another one. This creates what I call the black box problem. You run the code blindly, hoping it works, but you're not learning anything. And if there's a bug, you're stuck. That's why so many beginners give up. They think coding is just memorizing syntax, when in reality, it's about understanding logic. So, how do we solve this? Step 1. Translate the syntax into plain English. Take your AI-generated code, copy it into ChatGPT free, explain dev, or then ask, explain this code line by line in plain English. For example, AI might give you this Python snippet for I in range 5. Print I asterisk 2. If you're new, that looks confusing. But AI can explain. This loop repeats 5 times, each time multiplying the number by 2 and printing it. Suddenly, what looked scary becomes simple. And here's the best part. You don't have to memorize syntax. You just understand the logic. Step 2 is where it gets fun. Turn code into a story. Code is just instructions, like a recipe. I can actually turn code into relatable stories. Ask your tool. Explain this function as if it's a real-life scenario. For example, an if-else statement can become, if it rains, bring an umbrella. Else, enjoy the sunshine. When your brain connects code to real life, it sticks. You're no longer just looking at symbols, you're following a storyline. That's how you stop being afraid of syntax and start seeing code as simple logic. Step 3. Experiment with debugging. Most people just copy AI code, run it, and move on. Don't do that. Instead, break it on purpose. Delete a line. Change a variable. See what happens? Then ask AI, why is this error happening? Tools like Find, Explain Decode, or Gemini Free will break down the error in simple terms. For example, Python might yell. AI explains. This happens because Python uses spaces instead of brackets. So your code block isn't aligned properly. That's Goldby, because you're not just running code. You're learning why it works. Every mistake becomes a mini lesson. So let's recap the 3 simple steps to crack AI-generated code. First, translate syntax into plain English using free AI tools. Second, turn code into a story with real-life examples. Third, experiment and debug with AI to truly understand the why. If you follow these steps, AI stops being a mysterious black box. Instead, it becomes your coding tutor, teaching you logic, problem solving, and confidence. Now, I want you to try this today. Take any AI-generated code, pick one of these free tools, ChatGPT, Explain Dev, or Find and run through these 3 steps. You'll be shocked at how much more you understand. And here's the deal: if you found this video helpful, don't just keep it to yourself. Hit that subscribe button for more AI coding hacks. Tap like so. YouTube knows to show this to more learners. and share it with your friends who are stuck staring at AI code without a clue. Because coding doesn't have to be scary on with the right AI tricks. It never will be again.